Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 and I want to show you how fix the problem when game not visible on your Google Play Store right in my situation. To fix this problem when you search your game but you don't have it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and tap on our photo on the right corner, where we choose Settings option, Family and their Parental control. Now we have page 3. To download game to visible game as Mobile Legends game Teamfight Tactics, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our Parental control and easily change it to page 16 by tap there, confirm by understood and save. And that's all. We can go back to the main menu and try search Mobile Legends game again and it is visible right now. See you soon, bye!